My dear friends and junior colleagues, wishing you all happy festival of Deepavali. I will share with you my views on the importance of notice before filing any type of civil suit. Notice is the base or foundation of civil suit. So, before issuing any notice, we should take elaborate information from the client, peruse all the documents supplied by him, and thereafter only notice should be drafted, and our effort should be in the direction that after issuance of notice itself, there should be chances of settlement between the parties. I have experience of this on the basis of practice which I have done since last 45 years. Most of the matters were compromised, conciliated between the parties the moment notice was issued to them. So, the language should be in such form and manner that each and everything should be mentioned in it, and coupled with that, the drafting should be done in that fashion and manner, and in the end, we should advise the opposite side that you should comply and do the needful. Secondly, every registered article, this is applicable to all, that is general public at large. Every article or say letter sent by registered post AD should be received by us. It should not be refused, it should not be returned to the sender, because if suppose you refuse to escape that notice, or because of any cause or reason the notice is returned to the sender, and on the basis of that notice, if the suit is filed in the court, my friends and and the general public at large, I want to mention here that this amounts to admission on your part. Simply on the basis of notice, one can claim his right if it is not replied by you. So, it's my kind suggestion to you all that every registered article should be accepted by you as the acknowledgement of the same duly signed by you goes to the sender, and thereafter it should be replied and the contents of it should be denied. In civil cases particularly, any type of civil case, initial step is to issue a notice first. Notice is the base of the case, the foundation of the case, and therefore more importance should be given to the notice while drafting it, and coupled with that, if suppose after receiving of notice to the other side, the party is ready to conciliate the matter, give importance to it in the presence of your client and the other side and the opposite party, if suppose matter is conciliated, it should be done. Unnecessarily, don't go in court and file the suit or litigation. In civil cases, to, file the case is in our hand, but so far as duration of the case is concerned, that is not, that is uncertain, because the reason behind that is innumerable rights and remedies are given to both the parties under Civil Procedure Code. With these views, I will take a pause here and again wish you all a happy festival of Deepavali, and thanks you all for sharing my views with you. Thank you.